today's session. The words of Holy Quran. So we're moving towards our today's session. So before starting the session, I need to ask that until now, any one of you, if you have any kind of question, query, or difficulty in your mind regarding the today's session, so please discuss and I will answer the kind of question resolve your queries. So hopefully all the things have been clear in your mind. You don't have any kind of question or query. Then we start today's session. In previous session, we was discussed about the dealing with conflict, that in different kind of situations, that how can we deal, how can we handle and resolve the conflict in between the parties and in between the society of people. So conflict is a thing and it's a necessary thing which create in between people and we need to resolve it within the time and before the time when it create a difficult situation in between the people. So different kind of aspect related to the concept we already discussed. So we further continue the session with that dealing with conflict. So dealing with conflict, we need to discuss following are five conflict styles that a person may follow. Competing, so means stand up for your own rights and defend what you believe is correct. So then you will get your rights because most of the people in society, in environments, in your office works, environment situation, different kind of aspect, people hijack your rights. People work down on your rights. People many times emphasize, create their impact on you, and they steal your rights. They hijack your rights. So it's your responsibility to get your credit, to nominate you, dominate you. People will dominate you, and it's your responsibility to highlight yourself, highlight your skills, and work hard and prove yourself with your work. People will know you by your work. Remember, people will know you by your skills, by your answer, by your hard working. If you trying in every time that no one that highlight me, no one uh, realize my contribution, etc. kind of thing. No one after a statement of these kind of things, no one also not understand your things, feelings, and your dedication, your hard work. It's your responsibility to highlight yourself and prove yourself by your work. Hard work always pays off. Remember this thing. Number two is accommodating. Means that you hear others' point of view. Then accommodating things would be happen. By collaborating, these are the contract style. Both sides are willing to cooperate and listen to others as well. So collaborating things can also be reduce conflict as well. By compromising, both parties seek a better solution in the middle ground as one gives to another while one task. So compromising, sometimes we need to compromise on the kind of rights because compromising is also a need of society. Sometimes you need to compromise, not every time. I'm not talking about the device that to compromise with your rights, with your necessities, but sometimes compromising is a best solution as per straightforward statement, as per the kind of other things. Further, avoiding an unassertive, uncooperative approach whereby a solution is delayed or avoiding altogether, both sides might wait until they would find a better solution or evade the solution. So these are further that situation and dealing kind of statement that how can we reduce a conflict in between the people society, and that how is the kind of conflict that we need to uh, intimidate, deal with people in the kind of these situations. So conflict is the nature of society. Conflict is a need of society, but solution of conflict always be out there. Remember this thing: we are not able to rely on conflict. We are not able to deal conflict with people because it's not a good thing. We need to avoid conflict. We need to deal people with conflict, but also solution of the conflict. We were on that conflict dealing things that we need to discuss. Dealing conflict in another way, that the resolution style of conflict that avoid, that means lose lose characteristic behavior, that non confrontation, any issues, denied issues are a problem. This is a style of a highly dependent person without inner direction may postpone conflict. Remember this thing, or avoid it at all cost, moving away and leaving loss, leaving losing. The kind of things that characteristical behavior, the kind of style will be followed by this thing, the behavior. Afterwards, the favorite saying that let's discuss this later. And most of our bosses, coordinators, chairmen always said the kind of statement, let's discuss this and later. Let's forget it. Let's do this task. I will do the kind of thing. discuss it later, forget it. The kind of these statement would be favorite style in kind of things. I'm always listening things. That's the reason I also discuss with you the things. Accommodate in which lose or win would situation would be happen. That agreeableness and non-assertive, cooperative, even at expense of personal goals, guilty, moving toward the other person, friend. So these are the behavior of artistic and accommodate style. And the favorite statements that saying by the boss or coordinator as well that I'm sorry, you are right. Yet this is a statement not every time you're listening, but things would be happening. Go ahead and do it your way. This one also unique statement you never listen in most of the time. Oh well, it is hopeless to try. Further, we moving toward the next situation of resolution style are compete, win or lose. And further, uses power, position, personality, or status to get own way. Academics, athletes, and the law can reflect this mindset, assertive and aggressive, forceful, moving against other as well. So these are the behaviors in this kind of situation would be happen. And further, the mapping of favorite style of this situation is, of course, I'm right. Do it my way. This is the assertive level of things. It's your mistake. If I win, you lose. These statements also create a conflict. So things would be worse in this situation. Compromise. Aggressive but cooperative. Tries to bargain, compromise, and split the difference. So the favorable styles are let's talk this over so we each get what we need. So this one, it's let's talk it over so we each get what we need. So this is the compromising thing. Statements that reflect the kind of situation of compromise. Last one, that collaborate. This is the win-win situation. Collaboration things always divide the task, goals, and many times, and we can say every times in collaborativeness, we always get the required outcome of task. Because teamwork have been done in collaborativeness, task always divide in most of the people in teams, so we'll get particular task as well. High respect for mutual benefit recognizes the need and mutual benefit of both parties, strives for win-win situation or recognizes abilities and expertise of all, Inti- integrating, working towards solution with others as well. So these are two further characteristics behavior which we need to follow in this resolution style of situation. It's a win-win situation. So what is the favorable saying or statement in it? So it's share our ideas. We can work this out if we work together and value each other's skills and values. Then we will get the common goal or task on which we are working. So this is the conflict dealing situation in the best situation and in the best way of communicating dealing with conflict is the last one, that is the collaborativeness in which you provide your efforts in it and you always follow the kind of things and then situation will be good at your end as well. Further, that conflict resolution is litigation refers to the rules and practices involved in resolving disputes in the court system. So litigation as well best way to resolve a conflict in between two parties. Number two is negotiation. Is a dialogue between two or more people or parties intended to reach a beneficial outcome. So negotiation is the best way to fulfill the kind of thing. But remember, there is a kind of possibility of positive negotiation and as well as the negative negotiation. So avoid the negative negotiation. It will damage you in the long term as well. Arbitration is a procedure in which a dispute is submitted by agreement of parties to one or more arbitrators who make a binding decisions on the dispute. Mediation is an effective way of resolving disputes without the need to go to court. It involves an independent third party. A mediator is a singularity person to resolve the conflict in between two parties. We always hire a person or nominate a person that whom will be resolve the conflict in between two parties, in between two people. So most of us will very well know these things. Who helps both sides come to an agreement. So this is the way that mediator is a person. Further, it's a kind of case study known as cultural value conflict. Arshad has been working as an information officer at a foreign consulate in Islamabad for several years. His boss, his boss Hendrik wants to reward Arshad for his hard work and offers him a promotion and pay rise to become an information clerk. Arshad politely declines the offer, leave Hendrik leaving Hedrick then confused. So reflection, why should Darshad refusing the promotion and how should Hedrick proceed further? So this is a conflict that is created between boss and their subordinate and that need to be resolved out there as well. So miscommunicating conflict as well. Junaid was working in a telecom company as New York City. He has been shifted to Pakistan office at Karachi for trainings. He will further stay there in New York for 3 months. During first month of Junaid's training in New York, a meeting was scheduled at Karachi office. Sana, Karachi office project manager, wants that Javed should attend Karachi project's first meeting. The email correspondence of Sana and Javed is as under. Sana first email, I want your presence in the first meeting of our project, which is going to be held in next week. Javed responds, I'm very much busy in training here in New York. It will be a very difficult for me to travel to Karachi to attend only 1 day meeting and come back to New York to attend remaining trainings. Can you please postpone it? Sana's second response via email is, you do not want to attend the meeting, tell me, yes or no. So reflection, what culture or personality traits influencing the communication. What is Sarah likely to be thinking and feeling? So I think that should be Sana, not Sarah. And what is Sandeep likely to be thinking and feeling? And it should not be Sandeep, it should be Javed. So it's a conflict creation between two parties. So we all know the solution is that Junaid is not able to attend the particular meeting and as a presenter, as an attendee. So Sana need to understand this thing. And by negotiation, by communication and well-mannered things of the conflict can also be resolved. Then so further the vocabulary jargons that need to be discussed the conflict, which when one or both parties are not able to secure what they need or want and are actively seeking their own goals. Scarce, especially of food, money, or some other resources, insufficient for the demand. So this is called the scarcity. Resources are not utilized in these. cohesive, so well-intended, unified, collaborate, work jointly on an actively or project, inevitable, certain to happen, unavoidable, assertive, having or showing a confident and forceful personality, evade, escape or avoid someone or something. So this is all about today's session. So anything you need to ask regarding today's session, please feel free to discuss. I will answer the kind of question and resolve your queries if you have in your mind. Otherwise, I end today's session.